Welcome to our video on the exciting and growing field of cybersecurity. In this video, we will be discussing the availability of jobs in cybersecurity, the typical salaries for the most in-demand roles, and the free online training resources available to help you start or advance your career in cybersecurity. The cybersecurity field is experiencing a high demand for professionals with cybersecurity skills and expertise. As technology continues to advance and become more integrated into our daily lives, the need for cybersecurity professionals to protect against cyber threats and data breaches is increasing. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment in the information security field is projected to grow 31% from 2019 to 2029, which is much faster than the average for all occupations. The demand for cybersecurity professionals is expected to remain high as organizations continue to prioritize the security of their digital assets and data. In-demand cybersecurity roles. Let's take a look at some of the most in-demand cybersecurity roles and their typical salaries. 1. Information Security Analyst. The average salary for an information security analyst is around $80,000 to $100,000 per year. 2. Security Engineer. The average salary for a security engineer is around $100,000 to $130,000 per year. 3. Security Architect. The average salary for a security architect is around $130,000 to $160,000 per year. 4. Cybersecurity Consultant. The average salary for a cybersecurity consultant is around $90,000 to $120,000 per year. 5. Chief Information Security Officer, CISO. The average salary for a CISO is around $150,000 to $250,000 per year. It's important to note that these salary estimates are just averages and can vary based on a number of factors, such as the size and location of the organization, the specific responsibilities of the role, and the candidate's level of experience and education. These estimates are based on data from the U.S. market and may vary in different regions or countries. Free online training resources. One of the great things about pursuing a career in cybersecurity is the availability of free online training resources. There are many websites and platforms that offer free cybersecurity courses, tutorials, and resources to help you learn new skills and advance your career. Some of the top free online training resources for cybersecurity include 1. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, offers a wide range of free cybersecurity training resources, including webinars, online courses, and toolkits. 2. National Initiative for Cybersecurity Careers and Studies, NICS, provides a comprehensive list of free and low-cost cybersecurity training resources, including online courses, webinars, and podcasts. 3. Open Security Training offers a large library of free cybersecurity training materials, including video tutorials, slides, and exercises. 4. Cybrary provides free online cybersecurity courses, including certification courses, on topics such as ethical hacking, network security, and cryptography. As you can see, the cybersecurity field offers a wide range of job opportunities with competitive salaries, and there are many free online training resources available to help you start or advance your career in cybersecurity. Be sure to take advantage of these resources to gain the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in this exciting field. Thank you for watching our video on the availability of jobs in cybersecurity, the typical salaries for the most in-demand roles, and the free online training resources available to you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more informative videos on cybersecurity and other technology-related topics.